And there it is. This is the Minisforum MS-03, another one to add to the range of workstations from this brand. But the MS-01 and the MS-02 Ultra that came before it have been systems that have really changed the mold significantly. But when these newer, bigger, beefier ones arrived, a lot of users, as good as they sounded and as powerful as they were, hankered for these more compact designs. Now this one, the MS-03, arrives with an Intel Ultra Core 5, 7 or 9. There are different configurations, obviously priced accordingly. Now luckily, we're not talking LPDDR memory here. This has got a couple of DDR5 SODIMM slots inside there, which is music to my ears. I don't believe there is any support of ECC, unfortunately, but we're kind of used to that at this point. Again, if you want that, you generally find it a lot more accessible on an AMD system like this one. But much like other workstations in this product family, everything you're going to need in this compact framework, from the removable chassis there at the top to the bells and whistles inside, is available. In terms of storage, it arrives with two Gen 5 x 4 M.2 NVMe slots and one Gen 4 x 1. Now if we circle round to the back, we've got ourselves a couple of 10 gig SFP ports alongside a couple of copper 2.5 gig ports here. Now, I haven't got any information on pricing right now, but I've got to say that alongside Wi-Fi connectivity means that this tiny little compact number is doing a very good job of joining the expanding range of workstations from this brand. Ultimately, I'm going to be very interested to see just how popular this is going to be. In an age right now of AI services, and particularly local AI deployment, I think there is an argument for some of these Intel core processors and the higher Terra operation value offsetting, at least with AI agent use and stuff like that, away from heavy GPU workloads. Don't get me wrong, this is still not going to be more powerful than this, but I'm going to be really interested to see just how people engage with the MS-03. But what do you think? Is this something you've been waiting for? Is this the thing that's maybe going to move you away from the MS-01? I'll say right now, I think if you've already got the MS-01, you're all right. But if you were on the fence about buying that, then I would maybe wait just a wee bit longer and wait until this arrives. But thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheerio.